Herbs or spices? What's the difference? Let's clear the confusion in 60 seconds. Herbs are gotten from leaves of plants, usually fresh or dried, like thyme, basil. Some other examples include scent leaf, curry, parsley, and a whole lot of them. Spices are gotten from other parts of a plant. They could be from the seeds, they could be the barks, they could be the roots, or the fruits. Examples include cinnamon, cloves, peppercorns, ginger, turmeric, and a whole lot of them. Herbs give fresh, green, mild, and aromatic flavors, while spices bring bolder, warm, and intense flavor to our dishes. Use herbs for freshness and spices for depth. Together, you create magic in your cooking. Now you know, herbs and spices are different, but both are essential in the kitchen.